Hello. So I've received a few questions from students about how to interpret bar graphs. And this is an important life skill because you're going to come across lots of information either online with financial statements, banking statements. You might see bar graphs in newspaper articles, in books, etc. So it's helpful to sort of see how we might go about interpreting the information that's embedded inside a bar graph or that is represented by data in a bar graph. So here's an example. It talks about clean technology and how much money was invested for each technology in 2 different years. The dark bars represent the year 2008, and the lighter bars represent 2009. So for solar energy, in 2008, this bar represents how much money was invested in 2008 into solar energy. And then this lighter bar represents how much money in billions was invested in 2009. So we're going to be given lots of different kinds of clean technologies, and it's the same 2008 and 2009 for each of the different bars. 2008 for the dark bar and 2009 for the lighter bar. So let's ask ourselves in part A, which clean technology had the largest amount of venture capital, is just a fancy word for money, had the largest amount of money invested in 2009. So if we look at 2009, the light bar that extends the furthest to the right looks like solar. But let's just label the rest of these so you can see. So solar extends out to the furthest to the right. So solar is the winner in 2009. So for part B, we're asked which type of clean technology had the greatest amount of money lost in investments from 2008 to 2009. So in 2008 to 2009 had the biggest drop. So we're going from the dark bar to the light bar, had the biggest decrease. That again looks like solar. So solar had the biggest decrease from 2008 to 2009. It asks us to estimate about how much of a drop it was. Well, if we were to guesstimate, and let's extend this out a little bit to 4 billion, this is about, and this is a complete guess, it's about 3.25 billion. And then in 2009, it looks like it's about 1.5 billion. So you're looking at about 3.25 billion minus 1.5 billion. And that'll give you about $1.75 billion of a drop in money from 2008 to 2009. So for part C, which types of clean technology gained money or gained investments from 2008 to 2009? And we're going to get more than one answer here. We don't need the biggest gain. We just want to know which ones gained from 2008 to 2009. So we're looking for those who had the darker bar to the lighter bar get bigger. So here in transportation in 2008, the darker bar shows how much was invested, increased to 2009. So we have transportation was a winner. From 2008 to 2009, energy efficiency also increased. And then biofuels did not increase from 2008 to 2009. It actually decreased. The smart grid had a slight increase from 2008 to 2009. So that too was a winner. And wind actually decreased from 2008 to 2009. So it did not increase. So these were the final choices: transportation, energy, and smart grid. So this is hopefully a little helpful in understanding how to interpret bar graphs. If you liked this video, please give me a little like, show some love, and if you want to see any new and up and coming videos, don't forget to subscribe. If you've got questions, feel free to post them down below the video. Thanks so much.